How to save audio on Instagram Reels. In order to do that, you just need to head over and then click on a specific reel that you want. So for example, let's head over to our Reels section, and then you can see all the reels that you can actually explore. So if you already found a reel that you want to actually save the audio into, you can head over and then click on this icon right here, which is the music icon on the very bottom of the particular reel. So head over and click on that, and then you can see this right here. So you can head over and use this audio for yourself. However, in order to see this, you can see that we have three icons right here above. So the first icon is the share icon, and the second icon is the save audio icon. So head over and click on the second icon right here, and then once you have done that, it will save this particular music that you can also be used on your future reels, or you can also just click on this use audio right here in order to use this right now. So that's how you save audio on Instagram Reels. Hope we helped.